What up? So it's the next morning, and sleeping in a car wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. So I'm gonna show you my exact setup right now. So I would say like the sound deadening is very good. I wasn't cold. I was actually nice and warm. The only con I would say is being on the side of the highway and like hearing these 18-wheelers and cars fly by over and over. That was waking me up. And then whenever somebody parked next to me and they slammed their door, it was waking me up. But besides that, it was cool. Pros, I saved like, I don't know, $100. It was a cool experience just to say like I slept in a car in the first place, and like a Delica, and I was able to, like I said, to lay down completely flat. Like at no point was I uncomfortable while being in here. But anyways, we're currently in Tennessee. I'm about to get my life together, brush my teeth, get some breakfast and all that stuff, and then we're gonna head to Right Hand Drive Ron's house. And I want him to drive the Delica because I don't know if he's ever driven a 5-speed column shifter, but I think it's always cool to just see people drive it because it's weird.
It's just not, but also it's just tough to be like in the moment talking about classics. Like we're still in the moment, right? Like.
So we made it to Tennessee. If you're familiar with this background in this garage, you know exactly where we are, and you know exactly who we're with. Mr. Honda himself, Mr. 2 Type R's himself, Mr. 3 Acties himself, Mr. Everyone Eats Right Hand Drive Ron. But yeah, I'm driving to Atlanta. I'm like 2 hours away. I was figured, let me just stop by, check out his garage, check out all these cool Type R's and Acties and all this fun stuff. So I'll do a quick little walk around. He's actually about to sell a Beat right now, so I might ask that guy what made him want to buy a K car, because I'm actually kind of curious, and a Beat at that. But he got so many goodies in here. He's actually putting power steering in this guy, which is crazy to even think about. This one I believe also has like the locks. I don't know, this one has all the works. I don't think he's ever gonna sell this guy. Even has black TEs, like come on. And then he has his track car right here. I remember he was telling me about this last time. Nice spoon calipers. And then here's the Beat that he's about to sell. You guys know I just drove one from HV&Y, but this one's a much better example of it. Still 5-speed, cool Advent wheels. Got the front going over here. Then he has a 2-wheel drive Actie that's gonna get a K-swap eventually. And I love how all his cars are like OEM plus. Like same Honda rims, Honda center caps, even put the red Honda logo here. They all have fog lights, which is super dope. And it's just like, you know, the perfect amount of perfect amount of Honda attached to it. But he's talking to the people who are gonna buy the Beat right now. Once he's done with that, I want him to drive the Delica around just a little bit, just so you can see the column shifter and you guys can see firsthand how like weird it is. I don't think he's gonna like stall or anything like that, but I do think he's gonna have like a little trouble going into the gears. But maybe not. Maybe Ron's a professional. So I'm here with Phil, and I want to know, really, why'd you want a Beat?
I don't know, I just love small, weird cars.
Are you like a Miata guy?
I like Miatas.
STK, like that realm of small cars?
Yeah, and I've been wanting a nice little roadster convertible.
Okay.
So.
What are you gonna use it for?
Just cruising.
Just like a weekend?
Yeah, probably weekend stuff. Just cruising around town.
Yeah.
Cars and coffee.
Are you gonna go like crazy mod wise?
Probably not. I'm probably gonna leave it mostly
like
stock.
OEM plus.
Exactly.
Right. Yeah,
I might do something.
Nah,
like
it's
that.
nice. It's super clean.
Yeah.
It's a good platform to start off with.
Exactly. Yeah.
Beat on the column.
Yeah. Let's see how you do. The first time I did it, I was struggling.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. So one is towards you, one and up.
Yep.
And you're going away. Holy cow. Yeah, I agree.
Reverse is like one of the hardest things because you're so used to going towards you, but you have to go away in this situation.
Wow. Up, back, up, maybe. Holy cow. I feel like I'm turning on blinkers.
Yeah, I know. It's so weird. I'm a little used to it now since I just did this road trip,
Yeah.
but it's only like my maybe 6th time driving the car.
Oh, I'm not even in gear, see? Just cruising neutral.
Yeah. But you hear the
I hear
turbo
it.
spool up.
Yeah. That's my son.
So, yeah, what car is he in now? Oh, look at you. Looking for it. Nothing's there.
I know.
You're looking for the... I've done that so
Something.
many times, like looking at downshift and it.
Holy cow.
I think that's 3.
I think it is.
Oh, no, there you go.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Really? Wow. The Eats headquarters.
That's it.
This is the driveway?
Yeah, so this is going to go into 12-foot door, 8-foot door. The office is going to be up there.
Where that orange stick is?
Yeah, that's going to be the front corner of that building. And then the 2 back there is the back corner, so it's 50 by 75 deep.
Oh, nice.
So we'll have an 8-foot door back there, 12-foot door in front for expansion. And like I said, 12-foot door here, 8-foot here, office with 2 man doors. And then up top, I'm going to put an apartment.
Really?
So if anybody needs to Airbnb,
Nice, nice,
come
nice.
here, check out AllThingzJDM.
Yeah.
Airbnb, work on your junk on the weekend, whatever. So,
And what is this, like a 2026?
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh no, the building will be here next month.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So the building will be here next month. As soon as it goes up.
So by 2025? Before, I mean?
I'm thinking spring of
Really?
next year.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eats headquarters in spring.
That's right. It'll be, at least the steel building will be up. Hopefully we'll have the office done. We'll see how the expansion apartment goes.
Couple cars.
Yep. And then, like I said, we're leaving that front of the property kind of open in case we need to expand it out, storage,
Yeah.
whatever. But yeah, this is where we're starting.
Wow, that's crazy. I didn't think it'd be that fast.
Yeah, so this has been in the works for about 8 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we've been purchasing land and
Permits and all that jazz.
permits, getting all the building fabricated. We'll have lifts. We'll have wanting to get powder coating system. Obviously, probably going to do like an inflatable paint booth. Not that we're going to get into paint.
Yeah.
But, you know, being able to have it, that'll be sweet.
So people are going to be able to come here and get things done?
That's what we're hoping for.
Oh, okay. So I could drive my Beat and you get a timing belt.
That's right. That's right. This is where it's at.
Yeah, that's dope.
That's where it's at. Yeah.
It's really going to be the Honda headquarters.
We'll see. It's going to be more than that. It's probably
Yeah.
going to be Mitsu and Nissan.
Yeah, true.
The way some special person is wanting to throw vehicles at me.
No, yeah, I'm excited for this. I
Yeah.
can't wait to.
Yeah.
This is still like 12 hours away from me, but I'm definitely going to be here for the grand opening and
Oh yeah.
all
It'll
that.
be neat.
Yeah, all that good stuff.
Yeah. So they're supposed to start digging for the concrete next week.
Okay.
So they'll have to dig the footers, pour the pad. Obviously, we got to run plumbing and some electrical embedded in the concrete before the building
Yeah.
shows up. Building shows up. I got a group from Atlanta coming up to actually build the building who do this style building, right? And then we'll start framing it out, you know, with wood, stick and frame inside on this front corner.
Yeah.
And yeah,
No, this is nice. And it's super close to.
that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's super
Keep an
good.
eye on it.
Yeah, I didn't realize I drove past.
That's right. You
Literally,
did.
I drove past on my way in the Delica. I'd probably be back before spring, so I'd see some type of.
My plan is, so there's this little V tree right here, is I'm going to set up a time lapse right here to have the construction of the building is the plan.
Ah, that's
I'm going
nice.
to put my GoPro right here, like when they're building.
Yeah.
And try to do like a ground up.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
The next time I come, there's gonna be a big difference. Period.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like.
Yep. Hopefully there'll at least be a building.
Yeah. It's almost like more comfortable in a way
Yeah,
than this.
yeah.
Like it's kind of
You can stay
makes
back
sense.
here.
Yeah.
You can drive from the back seat.
Yeah. Like I guess I understand it. It's just odd.
Yeah. Ooh, feel a little boost
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Now.
It's not slow. And like, if you look out of your thing, you'll see the smoke.
Hang on. Rolling coal.
Yeah.
Family saloon.
Literally in a 7-seater. But this thing drives nice, right?
Yeah.
And the guy only wants 10. It's for sale. Like he only wants 10. I feel like that's.
He gave it to you on demo, trying to get you to buy it.
Yeah.
I see where it is.
And then he's almost about to have me sell it. I mean, about to have me like sold.
Yeah. But what's in it? Do you know the engine size and stuff?
I think it's a 2.8 4-cylinder turbo diesel.
Okay.
And it has like no kilometers. Look,
Yeah.
for a turbo diesel, like it's supposed to be like 300,000 miles.
Get the boost gauge, put a blow off valve on
Yeah.
it. Really
It needs
sell
an intake so you can really hear it.
That's right.
Like, you can hear it a little bit, but like if I had something like that, it'd be nice. I'd be the one Delica that doesn't do any off-road mods.
Oh, so you done got me.
But the first gear you can see like roll cola.
Oh yeah.
Right? It does it a lot, yeah. That's not like, yo, this thing is look, second gear still does it.
Oh my gosh, that's almost comical.
So we're leaving Ron's house now. I'm about to drive to Atlanta. I guess I'll catch up with you guys once I get there, but this is probably gonna be the end of part 2 because nothing's really gonna happen. I'm just gonna get to my hotel, check in, and be done for the day. All right, so I just did my very last fill up, $52. I didn't need gas. I probably had a quarter tank. I maybe could have made it to Atlanta, but I figured at this point, let me just get some gas so I don't have to worry about it later. All right, so it's the next day. We are officially in Atlanta. I just dropped off some orders at the post office.
We've been grinding so hard, and soon everybody gonna see this way before the fame.